Yo. Alright. It's gonna be a quick video. Just wanted to make something real quick. I got the tinted visor coming in. I said I was gonna order it last video. So it's gonna be like a little unboxing video. Hopefully that car doesn't hit me. Alright. Shit. That was rough. Alright, he did not hit me. We're good. Okay. I'll probably end up cutting this out. If I don't, appreciate you guys watching this. But okay, that just opened. Alright. Here's the visor. This better fit. It should. I hope it does. That's the only thing about Amazon things. If you order the wrong thing, you don't know till it gets here. And all this packaging is gonna go to waste. So yeah. Alright, this is the visor. I'll put it back in here and then I'll film the rest when I get home. This shit looks fucking massive, dude. Like, it looks bigger when you don't have the helmet, if that makes sense. But I think this should be a good fit. Everything, all the parts seem to align. It just feels big because I don't have the other part. But this actually is tinted like this. Well, it's not crazy. All right, let's see how it looks. All right, so that's normal. That's with the tinted. It's not bad, but it is definitely, I can see why it would be hard to see at night. Yeah. All right, I'll film the rest when I get home. I'll put it on there and show how it looks and shit before and after, but yeah. All right, I'm back home. It's been a couple hours, but I'm gonna take this off. So you kind of press this thing and then you like pop it out. There's an eject button right there. Press that back and then you pop this out. And then the same thing on the other side. Press to eject and then pop it out. This is the old one. I'm gonna compare the sizes real quick, actually. Alright, that should be good, I think. I swear, if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna be so disappointed. But it should. Oh man, that looks so fucking cool, man. Yeah, I mean, you definitely want to still keep the old one. Just because it's hard to see with the tinted at night. So, you'd want to carry both. Especially if you know that you're gonna be riding. And then it's gonna get dark type thing. Fuck. Kinda hard to do this. Okay, I'm gonna try to set it up like that. So I cannot do this shit one-handed. Dude, am I just tweaking? I don't know how to do this. Is this on right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, I think I got one side on. No, I didn't. Oh, man. Okay, there we go. There we go. So I heard the clicks. I don't know if you guys heard the clicks. Clicks. And then... Yo, that looks sick. Oh, man. Alright, let's unpeel this. Comes with a little sticker on it. Scratch resistant and the UV protector, which is nice. That's the point. So I can see when it is not, or when it's really sunny outside, or just during the day. You kind of want a tinted. But it's so much crazy. It's so much easier to tint this than like tinting like your car windows. This was $15. Tinting your car windshield would be like 200 bucks. Like if you get it done, I mean, like the good kind ceramic tint. This looks sick, dude. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna put you guys in the camera. Okay. So that's with the visor on. And then I lift it up. That's what you guys can see. And then that's with it closed. So yeah. It's a really easy install. It doesn't really take that long. I hope I got it on right because it looks kind of goofy. But I mean, this one I put it on and it's pretty tight. It didn't like fall off or anything. I was going like 50 yesterday. So yeah, I think I did right. Hopefully I did. If it ever flies off, I will know. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. That's the Tin Advisor. Yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.